My name is Gökhan Östel. I'm a vice chairman of the board of İlketap Label Company. We are located in Bursa. Bursa is a very big city. It's an industrial city, famous with textile and automobile sectors. We are a label printer. We print wet glue labels and self-adhesive labels. Clients choose us because we serve very fast. We can do everything in-house. We have been in partnership with Komori since 1994. We work together with Aras. They are distributor of Komori in Turkey. We share with them what we are planning for the future, what our customers expecting from us. We speak with R&Ds, marketing departments, and they want special, unique, eye-catching labels with eye-catching colors, metallic colors. We used to print this in two passes. We were foiling. It was taking a long time. I am a result-oriented person. I always listen to my customers, their needs. Investing this special machine, the idea is print these labels in one pass with a unique station, silver printing, instead of using foil or metallized paper. When we shared this project with Komori, they understand us and they told us, yes, we can make it together. We have a very unique Komori press configuration. We put flexo unit in first unit. We used metallic inks. With this idea, we achieved metallic colors. We had a new technology, so that's why we can make faster delivery, we can print faster, more economic labels, also more creativity with the silver ink on the market, with eye-catching colors, metallic colors. We get 2 innovation awards, gold and silver. It's amazing. Komori Advance is easier to operate, higher quality, it's faster, and we have also inline camera system, 4K camera. It makes everything easier, it controls while printing. If there is a mistake, it can inform you the system and it makes everything easier. You don't need an operator almost because it makes many things by itself, As an İlketap company, our ambition is to be in a packaging business as well. We have a very nice relationship with Komori. We would like to share with them. We want to be in a packaging business, then they can offer us a more suitable machines for these new projects. When we make new investments, they give us a money framed. This gives us luck. We get more customers, we get more orders. We order Komori, and it's working.